welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I will be building a Lego set. I already continued. I had the idea of, I've already done it, but I had the idea of making a video mid-doing it. But, here we go. First video, Lego. This is kind of gaming for me. It's fun. And you might think, you're a Lego. Hey, no, I'm a Lego. You play with Legos, you're a kid. You've probably seen many YouTubers play with Legos just to build stuff. And that's what I'm doing currently. My dad's building Legos with me. The one you've probably never had. No, I'm kidding. Okay, so sorry. Here, I'm gonna update you guys when I'm done, so I'm just gonna pause the video and then unpause it when I'm halfway done. Not halfway done. When I'm finished with this part, because it might take me a little while. I'll see you guys later, I guess. But it'll take a second for you. For you guys, it took a second, but it took me like a couple 50 seconds to find the pieces. Okay, so that's all right there. And now this piece is all I need. And now right here. Nope, never mind. That's not all. Huh? Oh, wait, wrong page. Did I? Oh. Where is this supposed to go? Oh. Yeah, that's supposed to go right there. Right? Right? Wait, no. Hold up. Yeah, that's supposed to be facing... Yeah, I put that right. Right? Yeah, I put that right. So, I can barely hold this completely straight while I'm doing this because I don't have my tripod here to hold it up. And wait, I didn't put it. Okay, now. Where is this piece? I'm blind. I'm legally right there. Wait, I'm not supposed to put that first. That. Sorry. I'm putting it off in this bit. Oh, I was putting it up wrong. Maybe I should just look through the camera while I'm doing this. Here, I'll put the camera like right to my side. Okay. And now, where did I put it? I face this outward, like this. I can barely hold this still with one hand. Oh, neither can I hold this still with one hand. I spent $29 on this. Buckaroos. That's what you guys are if you haven't subscribed yet. I'm gonna find your family and eat you up. Wait, what? No, I'm kidding. I won't do that. If you don't subscribe, I won't. If you don't subscribe, I will. But if you don't, if you do subscribe, I won't eat you up, and I won't fry you at KFC. But if you do sub, you get a hug and a congratulations, because you changed this video, right? And now I'm gonna need this part. Here, that goes there. Does that face outwards or inwards? Yeah, that faces outwards. Give me a second, I gotta put down the camera for this. I am back. That was way easier when I'm not holding, and that was way easier since I was not holding the camera. It's pretty hard to do two things. It's hard to multitask while holding the camera because you only have one hand to do the other thing. Because you're holding the camera with your other hand. Like, if you didn't know why it's hard to multitask with a camera in your hand, then you're stupid. I'm just kidding. Hold on. Some horror. This is a low quality vid. Here, I'm gonna put this down. I can barely do it. There? Is that it? Nope, I didn't put that down right. There we go. There. Now is that supposed to go right there? Yerp. 1, 2. Is that where that's supposed to go? Yerp. This feels like the bottom of this feels good. Later on, I'm gonna test this in with my bathtub because I don't want to go out somewhere else. Yeah, this I might break the entire thing. There we go. Okay, so what is that piece? Oh, I'm dumb. Dumbo the elephant. I am Dumbo. Here, I gotta put this down again. Maybe I need the next trip I go on. I'm gonna stay overnight. I'm staying here for a month, so the next trip I go on, and that's gonna be overnight. I'm bringing my tripod because it's kind of hard. I'm not trying to complain, but if you recorded a video with this and you had troubles, you'd know. What is that supposed to be? Huh? Okay, that looks right. Whoa, what is that mechanism? Give me a sec. No, I'm kidding though. Not gonna lie, I'm just gonna end the video. I'm just kidding. No. Okay, put that right through there. It won't fit. There we go. Oh, quality's pretty good. Okay, now give me a second. I don't like this. I do not like. Wait. Oh, okay. Now put that piece through there. Sorry, this might take a little while. Technical difficulties. There we go. Now. How many pages are here? Here, why not I just check? There are how many pages? Let's see. There are 45 pages. Well, I bought this for no reason because I'm gonna finish it in 2 seconds. No, this video has already been. So give me a sec. Wait, that's supposed to look like that. Am I supposed to just put that like that? And then that like that? And what does it look like? Okay, give me. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna put that. I'm sorry, this is like. I don't like this either. Nope, wrong piece. There. I don't. Yeah, now that sounds amazing. Now, where am I supposed to put this? Okay. Bet. Wait. Right there? How does that work? I think it's supposed to stay. I might finish this right today. Yeah, I have to finish this today. Even though it's almost night. I'm probably going to go to bed at 10. What time is it? It is 5:15. I'm completing this before, like... I'm definitely completing this before, like, 12. No, I'm kidding. Why did I say 12? Before 12. I'm completing this before 6. I'm telling you. There we go. Why does that look like that? Everything has a reason. Is that what it's supposed to look like? Yep. Is that zoomed in? I think I'm zoomed in. No. I just tried zooming out. Sorry. Maybe I should just move this chair. Okay, yep. I have to put this up. So grab these two pieces, and then I have to grab the stickers. Where are they? I need fire. Just all I need is the word fire. Here's what they look like the stickers. Fire. And now, don't mess this up, dude. I don't want to have to re-peel this off. Come on, be perfect. Nothing's perfect. Why did I say please be perfect? I was about to say please be perfect. Now I have to re-peel that off and put that back on, and then the stickiness will be gone. No, I'm gonna finish this before the... I'm supposed to be... there's an all-out boys' night, like young men night for boys at church, and my grandma goes to church. I'm spending a month in South Carolina, and I'm with my grandma. Who else would I be with? I'm just kidding. But I'm spending time with her because she lives in South Carolina. I don't. Why else would I be visiting her? It took us like 2 hours to get here. A while. No, not 2 hours. 8. It took us 8 hours. We live 8 hours away. 8 hours and like 30 minutes. Come on. I'm sorry I had to put it down. At least I had to put it down. Okay, everything, and when I said everything has a point, everything has a point for you not commenting on this video, sharing this to your family, friends, nor subscribing. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna show you. Wait, where's this supposed to get? I messed up. I think I messed up. No, I don't think I know. Did I? Yeah, I did. Didn't I? I bet you I did. Nope. Wait, no. Did I? Is that supposed to be that tall? That looks way... Okay, so look at the directions right there. Yep. And now look at mine. Brett. Okay. Well, I'll wait to see. Okay. Wait. I put it wrong. I put it in wrong. Is that what it's supposed to look like? That disgusting. Ew. Now it looks a little lower, but... Wait, give me a sec. I gotta go back like 20 steps. Yeah. Okay, I'm supposed to put it in like the way I did. That's supposed to go in there. No, I did it wrong, didn't I? We're having some more technical I think I just lost the piece. The same piece! Nope, I found it. The floor over here is literally brown, and that piece was brown. And I just ripped off the entire thing. Okay, I'll just leave that piece be. Here it is. So far, I got to put it back down. I'm sorry, this probably isn't entertaining. Just listening to me talk and fail. I don't have a cameraman, and I can't hold the camera myself because I'm broke. I don't. You want to know what is sad? 100% of you guys aren't subbed. So I need to get to 50 subs to live stream, and I want you guys. And I can't do it without you. So it would mean the world to me if I got to at least 50 subs or over. It would mean the world. No, not the world. 50 and above. It would mean the world to me to get 50 above. I've gotten it before and I almost cried. Yes, I know. I'm a baby. It would mean the world to me just to get at least a sub on this new account. But I don't know why I'm doing this. This is not gaming at all, but I am. Wait, did I lose a piece already? Don't. I found it. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Okay. I will be recording and I will show you guys how much I've gotten done so far, since you guys have been just looking at darkness. Okay, I need this piece now. I will show you guys me building it pretty much. That's what I need. Now this part. I'm almost done. And then the life part I'll do a separate video on. I'm pretty much done. Okay, I have to put this on. Sorry, it's gonna take like 10 years maybe. Maybe, just maybe. Okay, I will show you the finished product of this piece that I'm building for the ship. And here's the finished product of that piece. Now I have to put this up top. Give me a second. Now here it is on the boat. Now just give me a sec. I don't like this part. Whoa. Okay, well. Yeah, it's supposed to come out that far. Yep. I did it wrong at first. I have to put these in it now. There we go. So, and there we go. Here they are on the inside right there. I bet you can't even see them. Wait a minute. Watch this. If I push this, it will shoot. Watch. It just shot out. It's sick. Or dope. Whatever. Cool. Whatever you want to call it. Hopefully I don't shoot anybody. Okay, I've already put that piece on. Wait, where's this other piece go? Give me it. Oh, that's probably to this. Well, I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm gonna do it in the same video, but here's the finished product. You better be subscribed. And also, this is a launcher. I'm gonna launch it. Pew, pew, pew. I know it barely went, but when I was outside and I tested it, it worked. It worked. It went like a couple meters. I couldn't even find it.